Hi guys, and welcome to the bonus page for AdvertMate. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my bonuses that I have for AdvertMate. Now no one will beat my bonus package. Then I'm going to jump inside AdvertMate and I'm going to show you inside the system. I've already started using this and I'm going to be using it for my ads going forward. So first, let me show you my bonuses. As I said, no one's going to beat my bonus package. My bonus package is for the front-end purchase only. There's no upsell bonuses, no bundle bonuses or anything like that. Everything you see here, you get for purchasing the front end. So it's a huge stack and it's well worth locking in. Now, the first one is a traffic surge, brand new. It's an ebook. It's got PLR. It's got a lead page with it, and it's all about creating traffic. So it's 20 simple steps for more visitors. It has everything that you can everything that you need to resell that as your own. And then we've got Traffic Surge, the 20-minute mastery. Now this is the upgrade offer. So you use the lead page one as kind of the, to get the lead, and this one to kind of upsell them too. This is a full video course. It has everything you need to resell that. It has the sales page, it has the video course, it has the marketing, it has TikTok videos with it, it has the full swipe pack, everything you need to resell that as your own. So there's 2 PLR packs there, brand new. Now the next bonus is 5-cent clicks. Now with this, I'm going to show you how for all of this year, really, I've been generating 5-cent clicks and turning those clicks into leads. Now, the leads have been costing me around about 20 cents, 20 to 25 cents, which is super, super cheap for leads. And I'll show you inside my ad account in a moment of when I'm running at the moment so you can see that. That's a live course. You can watch over my shoulder how I set everything up, how I create this campaign, how I do the follow-up and everything else. So it's well worth attending just for that. I mean, that, I really should be selling as kind of an upgrade offer or something like that, but I'm going to include that on the front end. So that's a full live case study with myself. Okay, and as I said, I'll show you inside my ad account in a moment. Then next we have a retargeting replay. This includes white label. So this is a system, it's a cloud-based system you can install, you can white label it, rebrand it as your own. It has a sales page, it has a marketing pack, it has TikTok videos, it has graphics, everything you need to resell that as your own. What it does, it looks at your page and it sets you up a retargeting campaign. So that's brand new. And then we have the Ad Page Doctor. Now what this does, again, this is white label, source code, everything you need to resell it for sales page, TikTok videos, marketing, graphics, everything. And what this does, it looks at your page and it suggests kind of different headlines, social and call to actions, things like that, to make your page better for ads. Then we've got Share to Unlock, which is the light and the pro version. Now these, again, brand new WordPress plugins. We've got the lead capture page, we've got the sales page, we've got the graphics, everything you need to resell these as your own. You can give away the light version, collect the lead and upsell the pro version. Again, brand new. Then we've got endless leads, we've got digital marketing, we've got Facebook ads, Ninja, image income methods, product snowball formula, build the perfect sales funnel, client generation funnel, JVZoo funnels made easy, maximizing sales funnels, profit funnel ideas, digital business secrets, the digital gold rush 10 ways to build wealth online. So as you can see, huge bonus pack, and this is for the front end only. So no one's going to beat this. So I would lock this in because everyone needs leads, everyone needs more traffic. And that 1 hour case study with myself, I'm going to show you exactly what I am doing. Okay, so let's jump inside my ad account now so you can see what I'm doing with that. Then we'll jump inside AdvertMate. Okay guys, so here we are inside my Google Ads account. Now this is the ad I'm running at the moment. I run these every month. Now, this has been running since the 6th of May. So, yeah, it started on the 6th of May. So, it's been running around about 14, 15 days. It's cost me £94. So, I'm in the UK, so obviously calculates as pounds. I think that's today's conversion rate to the dollar is about $115, maybe a little bit more, a little bit less. 4p a click, which is about just under 5 cents a click. 2,500 clicks, view rate just under 14%. Now let's scroll down here to the bottom. And for that, you can see I've generated 684 leads, which 14 cents per lead, 14p per lead, sorry, which is about 18 cents, 17 to 18 cents per lead. Super cheap. Now, out of those leads, I've already converted, I think, 4 sales. So those 4 sales have generated me over $120. So I've already paid for this, and it's an ongoing campaign. So, you know, I'll probably make quite a bit more than that on top of this. So what I'm going to show you on the call is how to set these accounts up, ad accounts, sorry, get this kind of generating similar type of numbers, how to turn those clicks into leads, and then from the leads into conversions, and kind of a full follow-up funnel. Now, as I said, I mean, this 1 hour call is worth the price of the front end, what you're paying, but you've got all those extra bonuses as well. So make sure that you lock it in. Don't miss that call. I will be recording it as well. So, if you can't make the call, you will get the recording. So let's jump inside AdvertMate now, and I'll show you why I'm going to be using this going forward. Okay, guys, so here we are inside AdvertMate. Now, there's lots and lots of features for AdvertMate. The one thing that I like about it is you've got all your ad accounts under one roof. Now, if you're like me, you run Google ads, you run Facebook ads, some TikTok ads, not all the time, but I do run some TikTok ads, but I'm going to start running some Instagram and Bing. Now, in this platform, you can also add LinkedIn. I don't run LinkedIn ads, but I might test it if I can see them all under one roof. But with this platform, you can see what is working. So if I go to analytics, I started it yesterday morning, so it takes a little bit to get approved. So it's only just really start to kick in as the ad. But you can see here, it's got 2 clicks, click-through ratio of 4.35%, 46 impressions, and I spent 1 cent, which is about 1 penny, so about 1.3 cents, something like that. But once the ad has, kind of found its feet and got the bidding strategy right, that'll go up, clicks will go up, conversions will go up, etc. But the great thing about this, if I'm running a Facebook ad, I'm running a Google ad, a Bing ad, TikTok ad, I can see everything here, and I can see which is working, which is getting the best click-through ratio, impressions, conversions, and I can tweak those ads as they go. So I can see everything here rather than switching between multiple different platforms. So I'm going to be using this. As I said, I've been running ads for years, and this is a great system to put everything under one roof. Now, lots of people tell you to buy this who have never ever run an ad in their life, but this is why I like it. I like it that it's simple to be able to see all your ads running in one place. Now, let me show you some of the features. Now, the advertise, this shows you all the places you can advertise to. You've got Google, you've got Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Bing. As I said, LinkedIn, I haven't run any LinkedIn ads, so I can't really say how good they are, But the other ones, and the great thing about this is it's super simple to set up. Now, if you've ever tried to kind of set up your Google ads, it is a learning curve. It's a huge learning curve. Now, when I first started running them, I still kind of get lost now a little bit when I go back into the system, but AdvertMate makes it super simple to set them up. So that's another reason I love it. It's great for anyone who hasn't set up any kind of ad. Now, it's got some great features. For example, it's got ad ideas. which I'll show you how to use those in a moment. It's got designs. Now this is kind of like an ad designer. So you've got like, it's almost like a banner designer, but you can also generate them with AI as well. So I'll just quickly show you this one. Show test. Now I've already got a system that I generate all my graphic ads for, which are probably, I'd use that rather than this one. But if you don't have something, this is a great way to start generating ads and creating them yourself. So you can got different sizes and they're all preset ready to go. You can use the background, you can add images in there, got stock media, you got like kind of setups with Pixabay and etc. So you can really create your ad from scratch. But as I said, I do have a system that I already use for my banner ads, which I love and I won't be moving from, but this is a great add-on if you don't have it. You can generate with AI again. Got presets here. Let's put something in. Let's do something for eScribe. Selling an ebook. Let's see what comes up with them. It's not really great description, but we'll go with sketch color. No, sketch not very good. Stock photo. We'll go with square. We'll generate, see what it comes up with. Now, as I said, while it's doing this, most people don't run ads, but they'll be telling you to buy this system because, you know, everybody likes to jump on different products. But I run ads. I've run ads for many, many years. And I can honestly see this platform helping me going forward. You know, I will be able to get better results using this platform than using all the different platforms separately. So let's create this ad. So just to create the design, I click, let's give it a name, scribe, just click create design. Then I could start. I've got one, I've just used two. And I can start adding this, add text, colors, etc. Just change this around for my ad. It's all ready to go. So that's the designs. So we've got templates. Now there's a ton of templates already in here. So if you're unsure, you know, what to use for a template or getting set up, there's lots here. So you've got technology, beauty and body care, e-commerce, you know, everything you need. Now, as I said, I don't like to use templates, but if you've not used ads before, you know, template's a great way to start. You can just click on these, use the template, just call this scribe 3, and then you can start editing in the system. So you can all this is fully editable. You got templates, then you got your library. Everything you're creating is getting dropped there, so you can go back, edit it for your ads. Then you've got analytics, which I've shown you. Now, why I love this so much is probably this page. I will be able to see, you know, my Facebook ads against my Google ads against TikTok, Instagram. So I can see what's working out. I can instantly turn them on and off. I can kind of look in depth, give it an ad preview, and I can move the budget around as well. So if something's performing well, I can up the budget. It's not doing too great, I can lower it. But everything's there, ready to go. So they've got integrations. So I've connected up Google, Facebook, and TikTok. I need to select the ad account for Bing, and that's ready to go then. As I said, I've not used LinkedIn, so I can't say how good that is. But I'm going to give it a go. If it's here, I may as well compare it to the others that I'm running so I can see exactly how it's working. Okay, so let's set up a quick ad. So go over to advertise. Now, as I said, a lot of people will be telling you to buy this. This is a new system. Everybody's going to be saying, buy this, it's going to help you with ads. But most of those people won't have run ads. I run ads all the time. And if you have run ads for any length of time, you'll know why this system is going to be very helpful. Not only is it a really quick and easy way to get ads going, but it's a quick and easy way to see all the ads in one place so you can see what's converting and what's not. So let me show you how quick this is to get set up and running. So I'm just going to do a boost ad. Now, a boost ad, it just boosts a post. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to boost my eScribe JV post. So details, describe your business or product. eScribe is an ebook creator. What's your goal? To get affiliates to sign up. Reference for content structure, JV ad. Describe your target audience, marketers, select project. We'll go with JV. Brand name is eScribe. Brand target URL, sorry, is a JV page for eScribe. Language is English. I'm going to leave the tone as professional. And this is how quick and easy it is to get going. So I'm going to click continue. And we've got to the page. Let's go to the page of eScribe. Pull that page across. Pull the correct ad across, which is the eScribe AI JV one. So let's we'll have a budget of £5. So add targets. So target audience, interests, we're going to go with marketing. So brand marketing, we'll just add a few of these in. Might tweak these as they go. Okay, we'll go with location. So we'll go with United States. Go with United Kingdom. We'll go with Australia. We'll go with New Zealand. We'll go with Europe. And validation in as well. It's quite a big, broad audience is that. I'll narrow this down as we go. And then we want to advertise on Facebook. We don't want Messenger. All devices, English all. We're going all genders, and we're going to go with 18 to 65 plus. So as I said, very, very broad audience. So just see how it goes and what it costs us. So we'll just close that off. So everything's set there. Yep. Then we could save the draft, come back to it, carry on working on it, or what we can do is just click publish ad. You're about to publish ad, and this is how quick and easy it is to get it going. Deploying your ad campaign now. So then we go to review status. So obviously it's not being reviewed now because we've only just put it out there. So it'll go from in process, review, and then approved. It can take anything from a couple of hours to 24 hours, maybe a bit longer sometimes. But it's super simple to do, and obviously, you know, you can get this going really quickly. You can get these ads out really quickly as well. So if you want this and you want my bonus, you have to purchase through me. Just purchase front end if you want my bonus, but obviously there's some great upsells in this funnel as well. But remember, I actually run ads, so I can show you how to make these work. I can show you how to get the most from this as well. So thanks for watching, and watch out for the next video.